Okay, so this is a really quick video. If you have a Tesla with AutoPilot 2.5 hardware, you just add one of these little memory sticks, you have a Dashcam feature in the latest software update. So I recently got a Tesla Model S and I was very appreciative to realize that I had the version 2.5 hardware, the AutoPilot. And really what that means is I've got the color cameras, which means I can use the latest Dashcam feature and hopefully Sentry when it becomes available in the UK. So if you're not too sure if you have hardware 2.5, I think all Model 3s have it. With the Model X, I'm not so sure. I think the later versions probably do, similar to the Model S. On a Model S, you have to have a facelifted Tesla with the kind of enhanced AutoPilot, which means you have the 8 cameras. And really the easiest way to tell this is basically follow these instructions and see if you do get the little Dashcam icon appear on the MCU. So you need to get a USB memory stick. I decided to get one of these really nice little flush ones so it kind of stays hidden. I'll put a link in the description. This is a 64GB one I got off Amazon. You need to plug this into your computer, make sure it's formatted as FAT32, and then within the root folder, create a folder called Tesla Cam. Simple as that. Then you can plug it into your Tesla, and then you will see a little icon that appears at the top of the MCU. Just looks like a little picture of a camera with a little red light on it. And that means it's constantly recording whilst you're driving. So it's not recording whilst you're parked. That is, again, what Sentry mode will be doing when it detects some motion. So once this is working, it's basically recording constantly whilst driving in kind of little 1-minute segments, I think. And if you have an accident or you see something, you want to download the footage, you need to press that icon once. You'll see like a little picture of an arrow going into like an inbox, and that will download the last 10 minutes of footage to the stick, which you can then take out and put into your computer. So it really is as simple as that. I hope this is helpful. I put a couple of images or videos at the end to show a small example of daytime and nighttime driving. The quality is actually lower than I expected, but again, I don't think these are high definition cameras, so I probably will install a separate dash cam like I had in my previous car, just because I prefer either HD or very high quality video footage. But this is fine for free. And yeah, I think it works pretty well. One thing to keep in note, obviously if the cameras are a bit misted up, so in the early mornings like here in the UK, I've seen some of my footage is obviously unviewable because it's kind of all misted. It does take a little bit of a while for the heating elements in that area to kind of clear that on the cameras. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and yeah, let me know how you got on. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.